So in this video, I'm going to show you how I achieve nearly perfect glass. So that front glass looked clean, but as I go backwards, look at the water spots in those clouds in the middle. You couldn't really see them before, but this entire pane of glass is covered in water spots. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of those water spots and get your glass to look as clear as this glass back here. I've already completed this part. Look how in focus you can get on the background. It's kind of nice. So, it's easy, couple steps. First step, clean your windows. Use your glass cleaner of choice. I prefer invisible glass. I've used it for a long time. It doesn't really leave a residue, and it's also safe for tinted windows on the inside, so it's just a good buy. The next step, the one that's going to take a little bit of labor, water spot remover from Chemical Guys. So this is a weak acid, so wear some gloves. I'm not wearing gloves for the video. Just use a little bit at a time, like what I got on the towel there. You're going to put this on kind of in like a crosshatch pattern. So you're going to go like up and down and just kind of give it a little, work it in your glass a little bit, and then go side to side. Make sure you do this on clean glass. This is just a weak acid. It's going to help dissolve those water spots. If you have etching in your windows, that's a whole nother type of video. So I never got rid of etching before, but that's a little bit harder. But for just easy water spots, this will work. Once you have that worked onto your glass, just use your glass cleaner again. This helps neutralize the acid. And then clean your window. So it's as simple as that. Just takes a little bit of labor. And like I said, wear gloves. I'm not wearing gloves so I can use my camera for this part, but otherwise you'll get very soft skin when you're done. Maybe you might make your skin peel a little bit. Get your glass nice and clean, but if you got to this point, why would you stop? So I'm going to show you how I protect my glass by using a product called JetSeal that Chemical Guys also sells. Now I've been using, this is probably my third bottle of JetSeal in like 5 years. You can use this on your paint, your glass, your headlight plastic. I put this on my house windows on the outside to help keep dust off of them and make them easier to clean. You can see these headlights are already done. You just put a little bit on a rag, just kind of like the water spot remover we just used. A little bit on a rag, or you can use any applicator you want. This one you're going to buff it on kind of like you're putting wax on. You know, circle motions, work it in all over the glass, get the whole glass nice and hazy so you know you're covering every aspect. This stuff's really easy to use, applied in the shade, but you can see it's already starting to wipe itself off a little bit. But we'll follow up with a nice clean towel. And we'll just buff off whatever little residue is still there, and we'll get that. This can help increase that mirror-like shine that you see. It's a little bit of a UV protectant. It's also hydrophobic, so it acts a little bit like Rain-X and makes the water bead up and run off your windows. And this will help protect the windows from water spots in the long run. And this usually lasts about 6 months, so it's looking pretty good. And then this is it. That was it. Pretty easy, little 3 steps, and you get perfect looking glass again. So that's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.